Mike Hughes here. I'm at Serenity Concept, and last year we did the Serenity 2. We showed you that model, and I think everybody's by that area over there, so I'm going to just kind of cut around here and come back this way as I knock things over. And coming around the booth here, they've got the new model, which is the Ruby, and these attached to the back of the diver's bottles. And when they go on a dive, this part will be underwater. It will detect where the diver is in position to the boat, and it comes up tethered into this control box. And from that, they can have a visual, like you can see here, detect from the diver's there, and it'll have a visual display on their screen, and it shows where the divers are. And number 4 is out on his own. He's on his own. So we're always looking for number 4, but this way we can sense where he is and go locate him and go to him if we need to, the boat or other divers. And I think we got it all for the new device. And if you want more information, we're going to go to serenityconcept.com. Is that correct? Did I do it right? Okay.